A man in his 20s has been arrested after a car was driven at a number of people during an incident in Skerries in North County Dublin last night. 4 people were injured in the incident. It followed reports of a fight breaking out amongst a large group of young people gathered in the coastal town. And viewers are advised that this report contains some images that they may find upsetting.
This is some of the footage circulating online of an incident last night that has shocked the community of Skerries in North County Dublin. During the incident, a car struck a number of people. 3 teenagers, 2 females and 1 male were treated in hospital for non-life-threatening injuries. Another male was subsequently reported to have been injured.
It's an idyllic space for people to actually come naturally to congregate and socialise. So something like this is absolutely appalling to have happened. My first thoughts would be with people who have been injured last night. I hope that they make a full and speedy recovery, and also to the people who've witnessed it, because it must have been an extremely shocking event.
Gardaí responded to reports of a public order incident at around 9:45 last night and say a large group of young people had gathered and a fight broke out. Locals who were here when this incident occurred have told us that upwards of 100 or 150 people were gathered on the street here in Skerries last night, with one eyewitness describing it as chaos and horrifying to watch.
People were very worried last night. There seemed to have been gangs of people out on the harbour here, which kind of unfolded into a big fight. Gardaí were carrying out door-to-door inquiries among the busy cafes and restaurants in the area today.
What we want to see from the Garda investigation, obviously we want those who are responsible for what unfolded to be held to account and brought to justice. That's really, really important. And we want to see from the Gardaí if they had sufficient resources to respond and where the resources came from. Did they all come from Balbriggan? There are questions that we will need answered.
This evening, Gardaí confirmed a man in his 20s was arrested in connection with this investigation and is being held at a Garda station in the North County Dublin area. They're also appealing for any witnesses or anyone with footage to come forward. Laura Hogan, RTE News.